Hi everyone. I've been going a bit crazy with my purchasing and I just bought some dresses from Hellbunny. I like the packaging. It's really cute. It's just arrived. It was supposed to arrive yesterday, but I missed the delivery guy from DPD. So this morning I got up early and got dressed and got ready to go. So let me open this for you. I haven't opened it yet, if you can see. I'm just going to pause it. Hold on a second. So it's got my address on it, but I don't want you to see my address. So yeah, you can see how I haven't opened it. And I'm going to open it now. Hold on a second. Look at this. Look at that cute thing. So as you've probably seen, if I don't put a lot of images of myself anymore on here because I've put on a lot of weight over COVID, medication, things like that. So I had to buy some new clothes. I had to. So these are bigger sizes, and I'll see how they fit. But I got one that looks gorgeous. It's called the Clarice maxi dress. And yes, I bought it in a 4XL. I'm hoping that that's too big, but I can't guarantee it. And the other one I bought, oh, you see my mess. And the other one, of course, I have to buy is the, what do they call it, Reagan 50s dress. But it's basically, it's, this is Halloween, It's Jack Skellington. Yes, it is. So let me open them up and I'll show you. Okay, this is it. So it has like this little ruffle collar and this lacing here. I love their new symbol. Look at this little bunny. Oh my god, it's so cute. It has a zip up the back. And what I like about Hellbunny is they actually make the effort to put a hook and eye on it. So then it has sleeves I'm not sure about because I hate these little tiny cap sleeves. They make my big fat arms look even bigger and fatter, but we'll see. If I have to cut them off, I cut them off. And then supposedly it's a maxi dress, but I'm tall. I'm 5'9.5", and often maxi dress for me ends up hitting me at mid-calf. So we'll see what that one's like. Hold on a second. Okay, and this is the other one. This is the Reagan 50s dress. So it's got pockets, and they look like baddies almost. And it looks like a half circle skirt. So it'll be knee length. Actually, we had 2/3 circle skirt. And it's fallen down. It looks really big and it's stretchy, so I may have bought the wrong size in this one. I don't think I'm that big. Oh god, I hope not. But anyway. But look at the lapels. And then the back, and it's also got a sort of like mid-length sleeve. The back has a zip, but quite low. And again, hook and eye. It's stretchy. It doesn't feel, oh yeah, like a cotton lining or cotton poly lining. And the sleeve is that sort of length. So yeah, hold on a sec. So this is the Clarice dress. Yep, as usual, it hits the mid-calf, which I can't show you because I've got no space. And yeah, I think I might be getting rid of those sleeves. Or if I put them up like that, and then put a long sleeve top under it, I think that would look nice. I do like it. There's no stretch to the garment, so I'm glad I got the big size. But it's really pretty, and the pattern has like snakes, and I don't know why, but this is the sheer. So I've got a sheer overlay to the cotton. No, it's a viscose blend, I'm pretty sure. Let's see, what do they say without trying to read it without my glasses. Polyester. Great drag queen. Anyway, there we go. that's that one for you. And do some sort of amazing thing, and I'll show you the next one. Okay, and here's the other one. I mean, if I wanted it tight, it's a size too big, but it also is really comfortable. And I should have got rid of this stuff, shouldn't I? I'm very disorganized, you can tell. Anyway, that's why you love me. It has pockets, of course it has pockets, because pockets. But that's the front. Yeah, it is too big. Yeah. Yeah. But I have the skill to bring it in. That's because it's stretchy. But I also have to buy things because I'm big, but two, I'm also wide across the shoulders. So if it's something that's supposed to be like off the shoulder, I always have to buy something bigger. It hits just below the knee, top of the calf, and it's just in this lovely sort of what do you call it? Yeah, Jack Skellington not stripe, not straight stripe, unstraight stripes. LGBTQ plus stripes. That was not meant to be offensive. That was meant to be funny. Please take it as funny only. Well, there you go. That's it. Let me hold on a second, and I'll come back to being normal again in my normal clothes. Hold it. So yeah, there you go. You get to see me like this with the mess behind me. Yeah, I really love both of them. This is too big, but I'm going to keep it anyway because it's comfortable and it's really cute. And I can always try and bring it in at the back, probably with the back zip. I can take the zip out and redo it if I have to. But I do really like it. So, and it's nice to have, they don't make, a lot of these like retro companies don't make sleeves that go down to the elbow. So I likes it. And I love the Clarice dress as well. It's very nice. I'll have to wear a turtleneck or something underneath it for winter because it's going to be a summer dress. But at least I have some pretty clothes if I ever leave this house, which doesn't really happen very often. But yeah, there we go. I don't know why I'm going all funny. Anyway, I love you guys. Subscribe if you want. Click the like. Sometimes I do videos. Often I've been doing yarn, and most of the time you don't see my face anymore. But you saw my face today, and without any makeup. Oh my god. But I wanted to show off the new tattoos. They're so beautiful. So beautiful. I mean, they really are. Like, Amy is amazing. And I will link Gilded Goat Tattoos down below, and Black Church Tattoo, which is Amy. So, alright guys. I love you all. Thank you. And I'll see you again the next time. Bye.